Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change currency on Facebook Marketplace. Buying and selling with Facebook Marketplace can connect you to users from all over the world. This means it's a necessity to switch between currencies to determine exchange rates. Fortunately, the e-commerce platform has simple settings, allowing users to update their preferred currencies. In this video, you will learn how to change currencies on the Facebook Marketplace. The actual steps for changing currencies within the Facebook Marketplace are fairly straightforward. However, once you change the preferred currency, you cannot switch it again for 72 hours. Currency settings changes in the FB Marketplace also apply to all of your currency preferences on Facebook, not just the Marketplace e-commerce platform. Here's how to do it. Tap on the Facebook app. Select the option with 3 lines. This is in the upper left corner of the interface. Then, click on the Market option. The top of the interface will display multiple currency options. Select your preferred currency. And refresh your window or log out and log in to Facebook again. Once you complete the process, you can view your listing or make a listing of your own. This should appear as the new currency you selected. But for me, I will tap on this. Once you apply these changes, feel free to refresh the page or log out and on. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.